Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin fixing the privacy error now by confirming a few essentials and taking the first real steps. First, set your device clock and time zone correctly. TLS relies on accurate time. Next, open a private/incognito window and load the site to rule out extensions or cached redirects. Then turn off any active VPN or proxy temporarily to see if the error clears. These actions identify whether the problem is local before you alter certificates or browser settings. Once done with basics, dig into certificates and networking to find the root cause. Click the padlock and examine the certificate chain. Check issuer, validity period, and whether an intermediate or root is missing. If you're on a work machine, confirm antivirus or firewall isn't doing HTTPS interception by temporarily disabling HTTPS scanning. Clear the browser cache, flush local DNS, and restart your router to remove stale routes. If a self-signed or untrusted CA appears, note its details for the next step. To finish, address the certificate chain or trust store based on what you found. If a legitimate intermediate or root CA is missing and you trust it, import the correct CA into your OS/browser trust store following vendor steps. Otherwise, avoid forcing trust. Update the browser and operating system so built-in CA lists refresh, and reinstall the browser if certificates look corrupted. If problems persist, test on a different network, and then contact the site administrator with the certificate details you gathered as the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.